maybe those people who didn't realize how good is this Ray-Ban Meta AI. The one I got is a prescription. I just bought the frame, and they build up the prescription eyeglasses for me, and I took everything on the option of the lens. So the reason it's expensive when you buy it is like almost $400 is the lens, because it changes colors. But this one, because this is a prescription, so I did all the ultimate thing on this option on this Ray-Ban Meta. So this is tinted, so when it hit the sun it will get dark right away. I choose like a reddish thing, mirror, you know. So to charge this thing is to charge on this case. You see, when you close it, it turns green. All right, the charge is right there, over there, inside, right? These are a nice technology. Over here, if you go online, it shows you where it, pick up and everything. You can text, reply back on the text, receive message, and dictate the meta. So you can turn it off right here, and it will not activate. The lens is right here, the camera is right there. When you take photo or video, it will blink. You know what I mean? So again, I love this thing. You got 3 minutes of video, you got 32 gig inside this device, and you can transfer on your phone, on your iPhone or Android, and you can play it around. You can put it on social media or whatever. So I'm gonna give you a sample. Let's say you're driving and you're wearing this thing. Instant right away, you can take a shot, photo or video in 3 minutes. So when you're driving and you're gonna hit the deer on the spot right away, you can see it. Or you see an elephant while you're driving on the road. Very useful. Or if somebody gonna mug you or smash your window, right away you can take a shot of the bad people. Alrighty, and I'm just want to share it to you, and I love it. This is my Ray-Ban Meta, and I wear it every day. You charge it, it's good for 3 hours. If you abuse it, when you charge it's lithium ion, it charges quick. Alright, and that's about it. This is the Grumpy Old Man number 63, showing you my device, and I love it. Bye.